It's been raining all day today, you guys. And the sun just broke free about 10 minutes ago as I was driving towards the Lamar Valley. And I thought, I've got to go on this hike again, because last time I did it was rainy. Welcome back to Hiking in the Rain with Ryan. Today we're in the Lamar Valley, and I'm gonna take you guys up to some palms. So I'm gonna do this hike in rapid mode, because as you can see, the sun is about to go behind that ridge, and I think the lake might actually already be in the shade. Here's what I look like. It's still chilly, so I've got my beanie on, this thing wrapped around my neck. Whew. Uphill, uphill, uphill. Oh, the light and the storminess. It doesn't get better. This is wild Yellowstone. Keeping my eyes out for bears though. I'm bringing nothing but the GoPro for this hike. Oh, I did bring some bear spray too. Last time I forgot the bear spray. There were some people stopped looking at the grizzly mom and cubs just down the road from here. But we'd already stopped and filmed them, so we kept on. Oh, I love this. Look at the shadows of the pine trees on the valley here, creating that dramatic lighting. That little aspen up there, getting the last little bit of light hitting these trees, shadows behind. Ooh, that's so dramatic. It goes from blue sky to very stormy and bleak looking. So last night after I did this hike, as we were driving back out of the park, there was a grizzly bear on the side of the road that decided to cross right in front of us. Ran right in front of our car, and that was by Warm Springs. That was exciting. So I'll put that footage too. Of course, my dad was the one filming with his camera, or with his phone, and he did the classic stop recording right as it's crossing the road. It's a patented Thane technique. I've done it before. When I was filming the grizzly and the bear tooth.
And I don't wanna.
Oh, he's gonna cross.
Oh, he's gonna.
Look at this, he's crossing the road, you guys. We got a little bit of dramatic lighting again, creeping out. Hopefully it'll keep coming. But the sun's about to go behind that ridge any second. Oh, I've got to get across this swampy area. I've got to go way around. Oh, just stepped in a badger hole probably. All right, this looks like a good place to cross. Oh, this looks like a perfect place to cross. Oh yeah, rock, and we're across. And now we got a nice little trail to follow right up to the lake. The first time I did this hike, I found elk antlers everywhere. I think I have a photo of me holding a couple of them above my head like they're my own antlers. Light on the first little ridge here, and then the whole valley is lit up. I could still go on a hike down through there for like the next hour. You guys are not going to believe what I'm looking at.
You're really close. They're within 200 yards or less.
Maybe we'll go do that. after we check out this lake. It looks the same as yesterday, doesn't it? I'll show you the same as yesterday. I'll show you what it looked like yesterday. Well, the one better thing about yesterday was that this was completely glassy and we had a completely perfect reflection of the peaks over there and the trees. Look how fast the clouds are moving this way. I forget what this mountain is, Hunter Mountain or something like that. I'll put it right here.
I was way off.
And its elevation. And its favorite color. Pretty brush here. Yellowstone.
My mind is going. I can feel it. I can feel it. My mind is going.
Bald eagle just flew over the road where I am, going towards the west.
Neato. If you guys heard that, my dad just said that there was a bald eagle flying our way. He's down in the car, came on the drive with me, and then I said I gotta run up there to the lake. All the lighting's good, and we still don't have great lighting. There's a frog. Oh, see him going through the grass? The grass was moving. Oh, didn't miss that one. Well, luckily it's wet enough my shoes will be clean by the time we get back to the car. There's 2 sandhill cranes down in this valley. I just saw something brown. Oh, do they have little babies? There's 1 baby next to each adult. And sorry about the shake, I've just got the camera on my knees. I didn't bring my tripod with me. See if we can zoom in any closer. See that bird attack that other bird? Zoom in any closer. Alright, that's enough of that. Cute, but not cute enough. Alright, got a quick little shot of the sandhill cranes with their 2 little babies. With this baby. I know it's last minute, but I would love it if you would accompany me on a little hike through the Lamar Valley. Feel free to say no. I'm wearing jeans today. I usually wear like cottony type pants. Well, jeans might be made of cotton too, but for some reason, when jeans get wet, they're the most uncomfortable pants. Boy, that's a pretty wolf. Oh, that looks awesome.
Viridian.
Viridian. Now, why do I know that name?
Blue-green.